Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to recover a disabled Google account that was disabled due to age restrictions. If your account was flagged because of age verification, there are a few steps we can take to try to restore access. Let's walk through the process together. On your browser, go to the search bar or the URL bar. Then type support.google.com. Once the page loads, click on Google Account. Then scroll down to the Post to Help Community section. Click that option. Once we're here, click Post a Question. Scroll down a little, and we will see the area where we can post. In this section, type a short summary of the issue, like, "My account is restricted." Be specific here. In the next box, we need to be even more specific. Explain in detail what the issue is and why we want to recover the account. Give a clear explanation. Once we're done, under the Category section, click Account Access and Recovery. Then click Next. Here, click Me Account Access Issues, and then click Next again. Now we will verify the account. This covers things like managing controls, restoring child holds, or verifying account requirements on Google. Check that option. Then click Next Steps. Here, we can add more details. When we're done, tap Next. Then confirm and post. Once posted, we will get a reply by email or on our Android device. Select that option. And that's it. We have now started the recovery process for a Google account disabled due to age restrictions. Make sure to follow the verification steps carefully to regain access to the account.